Hello, welcome to this channel. So today I am going for a picnic, so I told myself, girl, sparkle it up. This is a makeup look that if you are going to an event, you will look spectacular. It's a warm glitter eye because I have the warm crease, and I also have the sparkling thing for you. I did 2 foundation routines today. Like, I had the first foundation, then I applied the second one, and I decided to have a nude lip because you already have those glitters going on, and yeah, you need to somehow balance it out. If you have this bright, of course, if that's the look you want to go for, by all means do you. It's a fun makeup look. You can put it on to a wedding, put it on to church, put it on to, well, I don't want to go to a funeral wearing it looking nice, but you might meet your first time in there, so you never really know. You can subscribe if you like this content, and then more contents are coming up, and then you will be sure to enjoy being on this channel. So you can always drop feedback in the comment section. Let us know what you want to see, and you might just be having it. I do love you. If you want to learn how I got all of this, do stay tuned. Hello, welcome. So today I am going for a picnic. Actually, it's my first. Yeah, happy Workers' Day to me and to all workers out there. Okay, so I'm starting off straight ahead with my brows, and I intend doing the powder before brow technique. Well, yeah, I just reached out to get my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Okay, yes, I'm still searching for the brush that will do the magic, but let's deal with this brush. This is from Bobbi Brown 32-piece brush set. I would like to call this an angled blush brush. I take my powder on this brush. Well, you can use your beauty blender, which I also love. It's just that my beauty blender is wet, damp, and yeah, we're having foreplay. On my brows, this powder goes. This is to help control oil at this part of my face. Yeah, this is my spoolie, my mascara wand. I'm brushing my brows out. Ooh, something almost dropped. This is David's brow pencil in 018, that's 18. Then this is 03, and this is just a black on a different pencil top. I want a strong, intense brow look. Okay, so I'm starting off now with 3. For a detailed brow tutorial, please check in my description box for a link. Then I take my black pencil, okay, angled brush. It doesn't want to, okay, it just focused. And this is my Milani, no, not Milani, my LA Girl Pro Conceal. So that's my mirror. Through blending my concealer on my brows. So what I'm to do next now is to set with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Yeah, I am taking it on this brush. All right, I'm gonna set underneath my brows, not the top part, since I have not applied my foundation. It's just the blending that I did. I can still stress myself to blend it even better than I've done. Well, still, since I'm going to apply foundation, you may not need to worry about it too much. Most times, if you really want your brow bone highlight to pop, you don't need to set that part with the powder. Is that right? Yeah. I want to apply my brow bone highlight, and this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in golden bronze that I'm gonna use. It's just that I dropped this and my golden bronze shade shattered. I'm sure you may not be able to. Okay, you've seen it shattered. I'll take this brush. I got this brush from jumia.com.ng. okay, it's a tiny brush, just to the highest point of my brow. Gotta get in there tight, girl. The brows are complete. Now it's time to go to my lid. Let me zoom you in and we will get to doing our eyeshadow look together. Alright, to the eyeshadow now. Okay, I am gonna start off applying my concealer. No, I am starting off with my eye primer, and today I am using this one from how do I turn it now? Okay, let's just turn it all around. I'm using classic eyeshadow primer on this brush. I got this brush from from jumia.com.ng. This is my Morphe palette. Because of the way this brush looks, it's angled, so this shade is rich, so I don't want to take it too high up, so I place it here. Okay, back and forth motion. I'll go in with a shade next to it. This shade next to it. I'll not go too high. I'll close my eye. Still below. I don't really notice much difference, but it's there. Everywhere. I have to drop this palette. I'm not enjoying it. It's too big. This is the Queen Nana. Sorry, it's looking rough. That black shade I can see there. Not this one. This right here. Okay. I can see the bristle. Time for the glitters. This is my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Okay, so I'll take it, spray on my brush like that. I'm applying my glitter glue all over the lid where I need my glitter to go, just to the point I need it to go. While I wait for it to get tacky, I will shield my face. So now I have to blend the dark shade in the shadow and my crease color, apply my eyeliner, lashes, and call it a day with this eye makeup look. Alright, so I have the brush from earlier, the one I used in applying the dark shade. That's the black eyeshadow from the Queen Nana palette. So let's get into proper blending now. For liner, so this is the liner I'm using. This is from Karaite Beauty. What I do, I try to take my lashes down, but when they don't want to go down, I continue. So this is, and I try to get to the lash to the lash line as close as possible to the lash line. And now since I applied glitter, I think as close as possible to where the glitter and my lash line meet. Now that my eyeliner is complete, I will apply that black pencil underneath my lower lash line. Alright, time to apply my my mascara. Okay, so now that I'm through with my eyes, I'll zoom you out and we get on with the face. Okay, alright. See ya. I'm starting now. No, I'm continuing rather with my eye face primer. Okay, so I'm using this face primer by Loraclin. It's called the HD primer. Today I want to try something new to see how much coverage I will get. Okay, so I'm using a very dark foundation together with a dark concealer first all over the face, then I'll go in with my normal shade of foundation. Okay, so the foundation I'm gonna use first now is the Marykay Timewise foundation. Okay, this was given to me by my friend. Her name is Fidelia. She gave me this and told me that you can take it, you can keep it. My mom tells me that I look embalmed when I use this stuff, so I'm like, okay. The lighter of the two shades is Fawn, and the other shade is what I'll be using in conjunction with Bronze 2 Timewise foundation from Marykay. All over where my blemishes are, and practically all over my face. Let's get real. This is my Marykay foundation in Bronze 600. I'm using my beauty blender. So time for concealer and contour application. Let me take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn. Okay, this is Fawn. Ooh, they're all squirting today. On my chin. Now it's going to my forehead. Let me draw. Should draw it thick. As long as, oh, it's not a cross. I've been saved. I have my black Opal stick foundation in Ebony brown. Let me set my highlight side part with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Time to set my contour. I'm using my Milani pressed powder in Earth Glow. I'll use this brush to apply. Oh, Okay, now apply my powder. My powder from House of Tara. So I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to further intensify my highlighter, just like this part. Time for blush. Alright, I'm using my Morphe palette blush. Let me go in with this one. Lips. Let me use my Black Up lipstick, nude. I'll line the edges with a pencil. This is the brown pencil I'm gonna use. Then a lip oil for my lips. Yes, time for highlighter. So I'm back with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm still going to go for golden brown shade. Okay, so my that just changes the entire look. That just changed the entire look. Alright. Oh my gosh, I love this look. This look is complete, actually. Okay, am I looking like a zombie? Yeah, I have my contact lenses on. I shouldn't be wrapping myself up. My concealer dripped. Okay, I think I'm done here.